Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Kamusta po yung lahat? Andito ang po yung lingkod Renzo Tarot Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful and meaningful na tarot reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan. Sinusubaybayan ang pinakamala Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ating pong reading ngayon na pagsasamahan ay reading po para sa buwan ng March 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamamahala na sa sign ng Gemini. Okay, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Ulitin ko, this is for March 2026 po na reading. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Sige, last shuffle natin, Gemini. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Huwag natin patagalin pa, kunin na natin ang yung 10 baraha. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Gemini, Holy Spirit. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal. Simula noon hanggang ngayon, hindi niyo po ko iniiwan. Maraming salamat po. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, huwag po kayong mahiya na mag-comment po, like, share, click the notification bell, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat din po sa nag-avail ng ating personal reading noong nakarang araw. Medyo na-busy po tayo. Fully book po tayo sa ating mga personal reading. And if you're interested to have also personal reading, email lang po kayo sa akin. At the same time, message nyo po ako sa aking TikTok account ay yun, mabilis po tayo makakapag-usap doon. Sige. My TikTok account is the same po, Renzo Taro 444. Hanapin nyo na lang po. So let's begin. Gemini, your March 2026 reading with your opening card. Oh, I can see here 9. The card here is 9 of Swords. So, the energy that I can feel here March 2026, Gemini, is there will be a situation daw. Okay, huwag ka matakot ha, ba alam niyo yan. So, kasi wala pa naman, di pa natin confirm kasi nakakaob pa naman yung siyam na baraha. But these sleepless nights, ito yung nakikita natin na kasalukuyan mong nararanasan or past weeks, past days ago. And for the, actually, nakikita ko dito, flashback na lang ito eh. So, titingnan natin. Yung hingi tayo ng kasagutan sa mga cards na susunod. But I can feel her that this is just a flashback. So, maybe, kung ito yung nararanasan nyo ngayon, sleepless nights, stress, sakit ng ulo, problema, nakarang linggo, nakarang buwan, sa March 2026, expect Gemini na mag-improve ang lahat ng ito, matatapos ang lahat ng problema, or ibig sabihin ay may improvement sa buhay mo. Okay? So this is just a flashback. Kumbaga rewind lang ito. Ito yung nakikita ko. Hindi ito yung mangyayari sa March 2026. Sige, manghingi tayo ng kasagutan sa mga cards. Okay? O, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. We have here the Judgment card. So it means good news. Sinabi ko sa inyo, the energy that I can feel here is if you are waiting for a result, if you're waiting for a, kumbaga, kasagutan, and an answer or response for something that you have worked or parang trinabaho nyo or ginawa, inasikaso nyo nitong mga nakaraang linggo, nakaraang araw, expect by March 2026, darating na ang resulta nito, darating na ang good news, and of course, you will be relieved, gagaan ang kalooban mo kasi malalaman mo na talaga. But this result or news will be a good one or will be working on your favor. Gemini, don't worry, okay? Don't stress yourself. Darating din yan, but I can feel her with the energy of these cards na magandang balita ang parating para sa'yo. Titingnan natin sa mga susunod pang baraha, Gemini. So, ayan. I can see her with this 7 of Cups, a lot of opportunities that will be opening for you. You will be making decisions kasi may mga offers na parating, may mga bagong may mga fresh ideas kang i-consider, may mga bagong, is maybe business ideas, gusto mo mag-aral uli, gusto mo magbukas ng business, gusto mo mag-abroad, or maybe you want to move to another job, to another place, or any kind of thing that's something new is you're going to think of it or i-consider mo ito sa March 2026, okay? This is a good problem, Gemini, kasi a lot of things or a lot of opportunities will be opening for you. So, there will be a decision-making na mangyari sa March 2026. It just needs discernment. So, matalinong pag-decide, matalinong pag-consider ng mga bagay-bagay bago ka talaga gumawa ng isang malaking decision. But, doors of opportunities will be opening for you. Maybe siguro if you're waiting for the result of an application or promotion, approval of something, so any kind of good things, good news that you are waiting. So ito na talaga yon. Claim nyo na to, Gemini. Okay? So, oh, we have here the Seven of Wands. Gemini, be careful. Sa March 2026, maybe there are some people na madidiscover kayo, matutukol sa inyo na you thought loyal for you, they are loyal for you, or they can be trusted. Okay? They are around your circles. These people, nakakasalamuhan nyo sila araw-araw, or parang maybe unti-unting talagang nakukuha nila ang loob mo. Because I can see here, they are not genuine or parang hindi sincere yung intention nila para sa'yo. Because deep inside, they are there to, to monitor your actions, your decisions. At parang may halong inggit Parang may halong, what is this? Uh, insecurity. Sorry. Insecurity sa'yo, Gemini. So, be careful. So, wag masyadong magtitiwala sa mga desisyong gagawin. Just keep it to yourself, okay? March 2026, because maybe there are some people that is secretly doing their best para pabagsakin ka or siraan ka sa ibang tao or even to the community or the environment that you belong. Okay? So, eto na. Ito ng kasagutan. Sinabi ko sa inyo. So, we have here the Ten of Cups. This is a big celebration. The energy here is very positive, So, ibig sabihin, hindi lang siya celebration. It's like an extravagant celebration. Bonggang-bonggang celebration. To the point that, you are dancing. So, you are celebrating your family members, even your children. If you're single, your friends, your family members. It's like, hindi lang ikaw yung magsa-celebrate, Gemini. It's like, whole members of the family, lahat ng kaibigan mo, lahat ng mga tao na nakakilala sa'yo, they will be so happy for you. They will be so proud of your achievement and recognition or whatever this thing na parating para sa'yo. Diba sabi ko sa inyo kahit yung una nating barahan na nagbukas ay Nine of Swords. So, sabi ko, sleepless nights. But sinabi ko, di ba, pinanindigan ko na talaga. Flashback na lang yun. Hindi yun yung mangyayari sa'yo sa March. Kasi sabi ko, sasagutin tayo ng baraha. So, ito na nga, may big celebration. March 2026 will be the culmination. Kumbaga, ito na talaga. Kumbaga, dito na talagang lalabas. Dito mo na matutuklasan ang lahat. But everything is all about happiness and progress and victory for you, Gemini. Okay? So, before we proceed to our last 5 cards for your March 2026 reading, Gemini. Kapag nagustuhan nyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, don't hesitate to comment, like, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Malaking tulong na po yan para sa paglago ng ating channel. And of course, kapag sa TikTok nyo po ito napanood, huwag kayo mahiya na mag-follow. And of course, share and repost our videos. And of course, mag-DM po kayo kung gusto nyo po mag-avail ng personal readings natin. Okay? So, Gemini, let's continue. Oh, eto na. Connected talaga siya. Itong sleepless nights mo lately daw, Gemini, may kinalaman sa pag-worry mo about finances. Ayan o. Nag-iisip ka kung ano pang dapat gawin para madagdagan ang income. Nag-iisip ka kung sinong tao or kanino ka lalapit. Or maybe what things or actions are you going to do para mas kahit pa paano madagdagan yung kaperahan kasi although meron naman daw pero hindi sapat. Tama ba, Gemini? So maybe kinukulang yung mga pambayad sa bills or whatsoever to the point na siguro may sinasettle pa kayong mga bayarin, mga utang. So, unsettled payments even before kasi nag-pile up na siya. So, lately ito, flashback din ito kasi magkatapat sila ng Nine of Swords. So, yung sleepless nights mo, ito daw yung nagkakos ng hindi maayos na pagtulog mo sa gabi. Once this, you keep on worrying. So, talagang worry ka, sumakit yung ulo mo. So, but that was over. Tapos na yan. Sa March 2026, believe me, Gemini, your finances, not only your finances, even your love life, your relationship, your career will drastically improve. Okay? So, this is another reminder again. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, although this is money, but this is scarcity. Okay? So, comes March 2026, if there's a blessing, of course, there will be a blessing that is coming on your way. May mga blessings na parating. But double time to save or talagang ingatan, i-monitor talagang paglabas-pasok ng pera. Magtipid. Kung walang dapat pagkakasusan ng mahalaga or importante, ay just hold your grip, yung hold your purse. Ibig sabihin, talagang hawakan na mabuti ang pera kasi hindi araw-araw Pasko, hindi araw-araw may blessings, You just need to make sure that everything is in balance regarding your money or your finances, Gemini. So, but expect March 2026. Well, it will still be a good month for you in terms of money, but kailangan ding magtipid. Kung kinakailangan na, hindi ko sinasabing huwag maglalabas ng pera, but if it's only for, it's like very important or urgent matter, pero kung wala namang dapat pagkagastusan ng malalaki, please take time to discipline yourself in terms of finances, Gemini. Okay? So, eto na, stability. So, look at this one, Gemini. You can see here, ito, di ba sinasabi ko, maraming offers, maraming transactions na magbubukas para sa'yo, a lot of new opportunities na parating sa'yo. So, this is a good thing. Ito yung katapat niya, yung stability. So, I can see here na kung ano man yung mga bagong offers, mga bagong opportunities and blessings na parating sa'yo comes March 2026, Gemini, it will give you the stability, okay? It means stability, sabihin, at least you're not going to worry anymore kasi kapag dyan ka pumasok or yan na yung talagang pinili mo, magiging grounded ka na dyan, stable ka na yan. Sabihin, magbibigay ito ng magandang amount of money, magandang income, magandang sahod, may mga incentives, bonuses, and also, this is where you're going to be happy and contented because this is where you're aligned. Ito rin ang gusto mo. Ito rin yung talagang gustong-gusto mo mangyari kahit noon pa. Okay? So, stability with the King of Cups. No need to worry. Sabihin, puro chill, So here, Four of Swords, okay? Tingnan mo, yung reminder ko kanina na may mga taong secretly na parang naiinggit sa'yo na gusto kang pabagsakin. So, always have time. The universe is also reminding you, Gemini, to have time to rest, okay? Baka over fatigue or baka na-overwhelm na kayo, naubos yung energy nyo. And of course, wag niyong uubusin daw ang iyong energy, ang iyong time sa pagre-respond sa mga taong ito. Sa pagpapaliwanag ng side mo sa mga taong ito. Sa pag-react sa mga gagawin nila or sasabihin nila sa'yo. Just let the universe do its job. Sa karma nila, bahala sila. Lalong alam mo, malinis ang puso mo, malinis ang intention mo. You don't need to explain your side. But the most important now is comes March 2026. Don't forget to have time for rest or relaxation. Kasi baka mamaya masyadong pagod ka, isip mo at katawan mo physically sa trabaho, dagdagan pa ng mga naririnig mo mula sa ibang tao. So, of course, madidrain ka talaga. So, the universe is reminding you to please have time to recharge, to regain your energy through rest. Okay, pagpapahinga talaga. Napaka-importante nito, Gemini, para sa iyo ngayong March 2026, lalong-lalo na mabibisi ka dito sa napakaraming opportunities na magbubukas sa iyo. Diba sinabi ko, Gemini? So, okay? So, tapusin natin tong March 2026 reading mo with your 10th and last card. So, ano ba to? So, this is Three of Pentacles, okay? But this is in reverse, okay? Bumaliktad siya ba? But kapag ganito to, I can see her like, foul or parang hindi magandang transaction, parang scam. So, but since nag-reverse siya, don't worry in terms of money. Kailangan mo lang higpitan, magtipid lang, lahat mag-ingat lang. But I cannot see her any form of panloloko, scam, or parang, parang too good to be true na mga transaction. So, don't worry. In terms of money talaga, you don't need to worry. Katapat niya pa ay celebration card. So, congratulations, Gemini. There's a big blessing that is coming on your way. Expect sa March 2026, not only you, ulitin ko, hindi lang ikaw, but all the members of your family, all the community that you belong. So, friends also will be celebrating with this big milestone that is coming on your way. So, I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign ng Gemini ang makapanood ito ngayon. I'm wishing you all the best, Gemini, in life. And ulitin ko, pag nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate po kayo, huwag kayong mahiyang mag-comment, like, share. Don't forget to subscribe. So, also TikTok, follow po, repost, and of course, save this video or share this video. DM for personal readings. I'm wishing you all the best again. And magkita po tayo sa susunod nating reading, mga pinamahal kong Gemini soulmates. Mag-ingat ka lagi. God bless us. God bless us all.